Hi, in today's session, RD with the students, I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss about importance of skill development preparation in the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to Argentina for higher education, and one motivational story with its moral. Let's see what is the importance of skill development program in the EduMall. The skill development program at the EduMall is designed to shape students into future ready, confident and highly capable individuals. Beyond academic learning, this program equips students with essential life, career and professional skills needed to excel in a rapidly changing world. Let's see the benefits. Makes students industry ready. The program trains students in key skills demanded by today's industries: communication, critical thinking, digital literacy, teamwork and leadership, ensuring they can compete and succeed in real-world environment. Enhances career opportunities. Skill development improves performance in interviews, group discussions, corporate assessments, and higher education admissions. Students become more employable and confident in their career paths. Boosts confidence and personality. Students can learn vital soft skills such as presentation ability, public speaking, body language, and personality grooming, which build strong self-confidence and professional presence. Bridges academic learning with practical skills. The EduMall offers excellent academic preparation, and the skill development program adds the practical dimensions required for success. It teaches students how to apply knowledge, not just learn it. Support global exposure. In today's global world, skills like communication, cultural awareness, and digital competence are essential. This program prepares students to thrive in international universities, workplaces, and multicultural settings. Encourages holistic growth. The program focuses on personal development, emotional intelligence, time management, problem solving, and decision making. This ensures students grow intellectually, socially, and emotionally. Strengthens the EduMall ecosystem. The skill development program completes the EduMall's mission by integrating academic excellence, skill building, career readiness, and holistic personality development. This makes the EduMall a comprehensive, future-focused educational platform. Thus, your future starts here, the EduMall. Let's see the thought of the day. And the thought of the day is: the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. That means the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. That is, the actions and the efforts you put in today directly influence and create your future success. It emphasizes the importance of present diligence, hard work, and living fully in the moment rather than worrying exclusively about what is to come. That means the best preparation which you can do is that you have to start from today itself. Why to waste for tomorrow? Thus, you will be getting success day by day while your preparation starts from today. What is the historical importance of the day 11th December? Today is 11th December. Let's see why this date is important. So 11th December is celebrated as International Mountain Day. to raise awareness of the value of mountains to children. On 11th December 2008, Breakup Day was coined after Information is Beautiful revealed it was the peak day for Facebook users to change their relationship status to single. On 11th December, National Noodle Ring Day is an unofficial food holiday celebrated in the United States. On 11th December, UNICEF Day is celebrated, marks 79 years of child rights advocacy. 2025 theme, My Day, My Rights, emphasizes child participation in key issues. Let's see word of the day. And today's word is candid. The meaning of the word is truthful, straightforward and honest. Synonym is honest, frank, direct, straightforward, truthful, sincere, outspoken. Antonym is biased, dishonest, prejudiced, secretive, tactful, untruthful. The origin of the word candid comes from the Latin word candidus, meaning white, shining, pure, linking to purity and openness in expression. Let's see one sentence with this word. And the sentence is, he gave a candid review of the movie, pointing out both its strengths and weaknesses. So today you have learned one more word, and the word is candid. Use in your day-to-day conversation and keep on improving your vocabulary. Why the students go to Argentina for higher education? Let's see what are the benefits for studying in Argentina. The first is world-class universities. Argentina is home to some of the top universities in Latin America, known for strong academic standards, research culture, and globally recognized degrees. Institutions like the University of Buenos Aires, that is UBA, consistently rank among the best. Affordable or low-cost education. Public universities in Argentina offer very low tuition fees, and in many cases education is free for international students. This makes Argentina one of the most budget-friendly study destinations worldwide. High quality of life. Argentina offers a vibrant lifestyle, rich culture, music, literature, modern cities and friendly people. Cities like Buenos Aires provide a dynamic environment for international students. Strong medical and engineering programs. Argentina is especially known for medicine, engineering, social science and arts, making it a preferred destination for students looking for specialized and reputable programs. Spanish language advantage. Students can learn or improve Spanish, one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, and added career benefits. Safe and welcoming environment for international students. Argentina maintains student-friendly visa policies, a multicultural atmosphere, and a safe environment that supports global learning. Cultural diversity and global exposure. Living in Argentina exposes students to Latin American culture, global networks, international classmates, and unique learning experiences not found elsewhere. So, global study abroad in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat helps the students to make their career and also take them to their destination, that is Argentina. Come and join the mission, and we are here to take you to Argentina. Let us see one motivational story, and the name of the story is The Sharpening the Axe. A woodcutter was hired and was extremely productive on the first day chopping down 15 trees. His performance declined over the next few days, cutting fewer trees each time, 10, then 7, then 5. Frustrated, he went to his boss, who asked when he had last sharpened his axe. The woodcutter realized he had been too busy chopping to take time to sharpen his axe, which had become dull. After sharpening his axe, his productivity immediately increased again. So, the moral of the story is, it's crucial to periodically pause and improve your skills to work more effectively. It is more effective to work smarter, not just harder. Spending time on preparation, learning, and skill development is crucial for long-term effectiveness. Thus, while you're working continuously, take a pause, and then you will become energetic again. So, remember our website www.theedumall.com. Our address 229 The EduMall, Swiss Solitaire Building, Khurasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The EduMall, discover, learn, succeed, transforming education. We are here to help you out in your courses, whichever you want to join. Come and visit us. See the difference from others. Till the next video, my farewell to you. Bye-bye.